Hello friends, let's crochet together a little doll like this, but with another colors. Yarn out baby cotton, gazelle baby cotton, and yarn out begonia. And the size of my hook is 1.6. Let's start from the head. Make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop. And a chain. In the second round, we make 6 increases. 2 single crochets into each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A slip stitch and a chain. In the third round, we make increase in the first loop and 1 single crochet in the second loop, and repeat. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1, increase, and 1. And we have 18 loops in this round. And in the next round we make 6 increases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and go on till the end of the round. And in the end of this round we have 24 loops. And now we make 5 rounds without changes for 24 single crochets in each round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 23, 24. A slip stitch and a chain. And we've made 5 rounds without changes. And there are 9 rounds in the head now. And in the next round, we start to make decreases. 1 single crochet, another one in the second loop, and then we make a decrease. From 2 stitches, 1 single crochet, and repeat. 1, 2, decrease. 1, 2, decrease. 1, 2, decrease. And go on till the end of the round. One, 2, and decrease. A slip stitch and a chain. And in the next round we make a decrease and then 1 single crochet and repeat. Decrease, one single crochet, decrease, 1, and repeat till the end of the round. Make a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread to sew the head to the body. And make the eyes and little mouth. the face is ready, and in the second part we will make the body. See you in the next video.